Hello, Facebook. It's been a while, hasn't it? It has definitely been a while. Happy 2020. This is my first live of 2020. I'm excited to, come to you guys live, but I wanted to also share these big changes that are coming down the pipeline. So if you're not aware, this is now your news update. Do me a huge favor as you're coming in. Be sure to hit that like button, please. Give me some hearts and some thumbs up. And I also need for you to share this video because I know there's a lot of people out here right now who are not aware of the changes that have already went into place. And so you want to know that the FICO scoring model, is changing or has changed, but most consumers will not see the impacts in their scores until the summer of 2020. So you won't even see the impact until this summer. But the biggest thing that you want to know is that it's not going to impact everybody. It's only going to impact a certain group of people. You want to make sure you're not in that group because we don't want to see anyone's credit scores dropping over the next few months, especially if you have goals for 2020 to be a homeowner or to purchase a brand new car. No, it's tax season. People get their tax refunds back and they are ready to go purchase a car. Or even if you're trying to reduce your interest rates or whatever the financial goals you may have, you don't want your credit score to be a hindrance to you. And so this new change, again, is going to impact only a certain group of people. If you are the type of person that may use your credit card or your charge cards for purchases, but you pay your balances off in full, you're not going to see much change to your credit scores. But if you are the person that typically carries a balance from month to month to month, or you're really, really close to your credit limit, you're going to see a drastic change in your credit score, which is going to lower your score. And so lenders will now actually go back up to 24 months worth of history. They're going to start checking to see, are you one of the people that carries a balance on a month-to basis? Also, they're going to be looking at individuals who not only carry balances, but then go out and take out personal loans or loans to carry or cover up that debt. By the way, by doing that, you're not changing or impacting your credit score in a great way. I even hear people say, no, I'm going to consolidate my debt. Consolidating your debt does not impact your credit score positively either. It's still the same amount of debt. All you did was just lump it together into one large loan, which is still not good for your credit. One of the things you want to do to make sure your score is not being impacted negatively with this these changes is that you want to make sure that you're keeping your utilization on your credit cards below the 30%, which is already a rule. 30% of your credit score is dictated upon the balance that you actually owe. And so you want to make sure that you're keeping it below, but you do not want to be the habitual person that is maxing your credit cards out, only paying the minimum, and also carrying that balance over from month to month. You're going to see these changes again negatively impact you by this summertime. It's already began, but you won't notice a difference in your credit score until the summertime. And so I wanted to make sure that my audience knew what is up, especially if you're not keeping up with what's happening in regards to finances. You want to always be in tune. If you're just tuning in, again, make sure that you like, give me some hearts, and also make sure that you share this video to make sure everybody knows what's going to be happening or is happening right now in 2020. Happy New Year, and I'm so excited to be back with you guys and doing some live videos with you. See you next time. Bye.